Okay, it's been a few days for work and stuff, and it's actually Friday today. Actually, took a cheeky day off, official, so that's why I can blog about it. The last time I left it was I tried this panel, rear quarter on, just temporarily, and it didn't fit too well, so I walked away for a few days as well. So I'll come back, have a look at it. Because definitely I think I made this panel wrong, which again, always remember to try your panels on, for God's sake, because I always do, and my dad's going to come round hopefully today and he'll tell me the same, that I should have tried the panels on. That's absolutely right. So, trouble is I can't get it perfectly to fit because I need to trim some bits off and trim some of the old lines off some of the old panel still. So I think the key thing is to let's trim it up and let's see if we can get this panel to fit into where it should. Then I can just double check the lines and make sure I've done everything. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, been a couple of days. You might have seen by the previous part of the video that my dad came over, told me I'd done most of it wrong, which is all good. At least he told me. We found basically, which I should have checked and always check, is that the subframe had lifted up. So basically I remounted it and the subframe was in the wrong position. We didn't really spot that until we put the quarter panel on, and then we could just start to see something wasn't quite right around this area. Didn't look quite right. So we've made sure the subframe's in the right place now. And I'm going to I've remade this plate now. We had to cut it all out. I've made it out of a bit of a thicker sheet metal, so I'm going to try and spot that weld onto that plate in a minute, and then try the rear quarter back on. But yeah, moral of the story is check 2 or 3 times that you're doing things right. Okay, let's do the video again because I didn't hit the record button properly. But anyway, alright, so I've cleaned a lot of the edges up. I've drilled along there, so I need to plug weld along there because I can't get my spot welder in along this edge. And I'm going to try and keep the door on as much as I can to keep the strength there and keep it as square as I can. So I'm going to get that on there, get some clamps on it, get the spot welder along the bottom there, spot welder along the top, and MIG these bits and grind them off. I'm going to put a few spot welds on the arches just to keep it there at the moment, and a couple at the back here. Again, not too many because I need to replace this whole rear end at the next job or one of the jobs later on. So there's no point going berserk on the spot welds. And I've got to do the boot floor, but let's ignore all that rubbish. Yeah. And then I'm going to finish off the rear door pocket afterwards because I want to get this on, get this square, get this solid, then the door pocket can just weld wherever everything else is. Otherwise, if I weld the door pocket in, I then need to try and move the arch, it makes it all a bit stiffer. So let's worry about the outer skin first. Door pocket's just to add strength, but doesn't need to be in the right position at all. Alright, let's get this on. Okay, well. Right, the wrong with Dad. Rear quarter panels on. A few more spot welds to do around the arch, but I'll do them, as I said, a bit later once I put the back end on. Just put some primer on that just to stop it rusting overnight. Need a bit more grinding in there yet. Need a skimmer filler, but it's going to need that anyway up here. A little bit of news, picked up a boot off eBay. It's a genuine one, but been shot blasted and a bit of prime on it, so it's got a few dings and dents, but it's solid. And that's it for today, I think. Time to go watch the Grand Prix. Chicken for tea.